Pakistan's policy as a rule of thumb, Waqar, when it comes to night watchmen? And what's your view on night watchmen?
Well, some guys like night watchmen and some just want to go out there. I mean, if this would have been Yunus Khan, he wouldn't have taken a night watchman, but with Asad Shafiq, with Asad Shafiq, I think he'll probably ask for someone like Saeed Ajmal maybe to just go in and survive if it's required.
Do you ever play the role of night watchman yourself?
No. Maybe one odd time in the early days, but no, never. Especially when the new ball is taken, that's not my cup of tea.
Dale Steyn fired up as he has been for a good part of the day. Things haven't quite clicked for him today. A little bit of movement away from the right-hander, but it started out a little bit too wide. Khurram Mansoor blowing him a kiss at the end of the over. 253 for 3.